Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, and hello to everyone. So today I'm gonna share you a recipe of spicy juicy beef biryani. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'm frying onions like it's about half kg. Fry till it get golden brown and separate the half of the onions. Now add ginger garlic paste. I'm adding here 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 kg of boneless beef. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of whole spice powder. Now cook it for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add half kg of tomatoes. Just slice it and add salt to taste. Now add water. I'm cooking it in a pressure cooker. Cook the beef till it get tender. Now add 200 grams of yogurt, and I'm adding here Karachi Bombay Biryani masala. It's totally optional. Now cook it for 5 to 10 minutes and now add some green chilies. Now turn off the flame. Boil the water, rice water, with some cloves, cinnamon sticks and lemon. Now we will spread the layer of rice, then curry, then again rice, and with some brown onions and green chilies, coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now we'll repeat the process. I'm also adding here potatoes, boiled potatoes. Now I'm adding here half cup of milk with some kerwa essence and food color. We will cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on the lowest flame. And now your spicy juicy beef biryani is ready to serve. Serve it hot, and I hope you'll guys enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. Do let me know your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.